Have you ever wondered how ITIL 4 differs from ITIL v3? Both are designed to improve IT service management, but ITIL 4 brings a modern approach that reflects today's fast-paced digital world. In this video, we'll explain what changed, why it matters, and how these two frameworks compare. If you are an IT professional or a learner looking to upgrade your knowledge, understanding the difference between ITIL v3 and ITIL 4 is essential. Let's explore how ITIL has evolved from a process-focused model to a value-driven framework. Understanding ITIL v3. Let's start with ITIL v3. Released in 2007, it is built around the concept of the service lifecycle, which includes 5 key stages: service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continual service improvement. This structure provides a clear, step-by-step process for managing IT services. It focuses on stability, consistency, and efficiency. However, as organizations became more dynamic, ITIL v3 began to feel too rigid and slow to adapt to modern business needs. Understanding ITIL 4. ITIL 4, launched in 2019, was designed to fix these limitations. It keeps the best elements of ITIL v3, but adds flexibility, collaboration, and agility. Instead of focusing only on processes, ITIL 4 introduces the service value system, which connects all activities, tools, and stakeholders involved in delivering value. It also integrates principles from Agile, DevOps, and Lean, encouraging continuous improvement and faster delivery. The key idea behind ITIL 4 is not just managing IT services, but creating value for customers in a constantly changing environment. Now let's talk about the main differences between the two. The first difference is the core focus. ITIL v3 focuses on the service lifecycle, while ITIL 4 focuses on the service value system that connects all components to deliver consistent value. The second difference is the approach. ITIL v3 is process-oriented, focusing on structure and defined stages. ITIL 4 is value-driven and flexible, focusing on outcomes and collaboration. Next is integration. ITIL v3 is limited to IT service management, while ITIL 4 integrates modern frameworks like Agile, DevOps, and Lean to stay relevant in today's environment. When it comes to governance, ITIL v3 is structured and formal, whereas ITIL 4 is adaptable and collaborative, allowing organizations to tailor processes as needed. The next difference lies in guiding principles. ITIL v3 does not emphasize them, while ITIL 4 defines clear, actionable principles that guide continuous improvement and teamwork. Finally, the goal. ITIL v3 aims for efficient IT service delivery, while ITIL 4 focuses on achieving end-to-end value creation for customers and the business. Which one should you learn? If you are starting your IT service management journey, ITIL 4 is the version to go for. It aligns with current business trends and is designed for digital transformation. If you already hold ITIL v3 certifications, there is no need to start over. You can upgrade through ITIL 4 bridging courses, which help you transition smoothly to the new framework. To wrap up, ITIL 4 builds on the foundation of ITIL v3, but makes it more flexible, collaborative, and relevant for today's IT world. Where ITIL v3 focused on process and structure, ITIL 4 focuses on adaptability, value, and integration with modern practices. If you find this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's official channel for more IT and project management insights. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.